Now, you're buying a car and the seller tells you the car is running fine but has a small misfire. Now, this is a story I've heard so many times when I'm doing pre-purchase inspections. That the car is fine, runs okay, has a small misfire. And the seller always says, "Ni service na plugs." And you as the buyer, because you're optimistic, you fall for that story. But that small misfire can be one of the most dreaded stories of a new car ownership. Now, for example, I have this Passat that came here last week. The engine was not running, so we've done quite a number of things. We've resurrected the engine, so now it's running okay. But it has a misfire. And so since yesterday, we've been looking for that misfire. And we already have new plugs, because the ones that were there were completely dead. We have new ignition packs. But the misfire still persists. So we did a compression test. Now, if you check the compression for cylinder 3, it's not going as high as the others. So all the other cylinders are hitting 150 psi, but cylinder 3 is stuck at 100. So there is compression leak in cylinder 3. And when we put some oil in cylinder 3, compression spiked to almost 200. We know the piston rings are gone. And now we have a choice to either rebuild this engine, put new piston rings, or put another slim engine in its place. So that small misfire that they're telling you is a service issue, is a plugs issue. It can be a plug issue. You can even buy one plug and the problem is gone for only 2,000 shillings. But you can as well buy a whole engine for 200,000 shillings. So if you're buying a car and somebody tells you it's just a misfire, tell them to sort that misfire, then sell you the car. If it's